Hey everyone, I'm Gina and today I'm going to show you how to dry your naturally curly hair fast without damage. I've got the Shark HyperAIR with the IQ Curl Defining Diffuser and I'm going to show you how to handle fast, even drying from root to tip. Before starting, make sure your hair is towel dried and detangled. Apply a product or curl cream if you prefer. I use curl cream and gel for some hold. Press the IQ Curl Defining Diffuser into the head of the hairdryer until it clicks into place. Once turned on, Shark HyperAIR automatically sets the airflow and temperature level to low. This setting helps keep the integrity of your curls and reduces frizz. Working around your head, gather the curls from the ends into the diffuser, bringing it up to the roots for even drying. Lift the diffuser back and forth, reaching up to the roots. Pause and hold here for a few seconds. If desired, flip your head upside down and bunch curls from below. This can help add lift at the root and prevent your roots from drying flat. It can also help to add more definition to your curl shape. To keep the integrity of your natural curls, switch between low temperature and the cool shot button. If you want more volume, extend the prongs and use them to lift the roots. Use the prongs to massage your scalp and lift up. You can also first gather hair in the diffuser with the prongs retracted and then extend them when you reach the roots. See, curls don't have to be a ton of work. Anytime I'm ready to style, I can bring out the best in my natural curls without the heat damage. Make sure you check out sharkbeauty.com for more tips and inspiration and to shop additional HyperAIR IQ stylers. Thanks so much for watching. Bye everyone.